So I want that. But let's say she's got a problem out here, either in her cuff or in her pec minor or something like that. And so I'm going to do that same move. And I'm going to support this arm. I'm going to come under. I'm going to come here and do all the things I would normally do. But I'm going to support this arm and not challenge it too much. But then I'm going to come in and maybe challenge it a little bit, right? So I'm going to do kind of the same things that I normally do in my work. But I'm going to, whatever is supposedly got the problem, I'm going to support. I have a client who comes in, smart, naturopath, smarter than me, and knows all this stuff, has frozen shoulder, he's encapsulated, diagnosed. During her massage, the shoulder becomes unfrozen. By the time massage is over, it's frozen again. Okay? We can't figure it out. We don't try. We just she enjoys her like 20 minutes of unfrozen shoulderitis, whatever, but she can't create that in her life. I don't know, but if I hadn't tried, we would never have gotten there. Right? So I never want to push my client into trauma. I never want to push them past something that's truly restricted or where I see the nervous system getting over-involved. But I want to get them right next to it. I want to get them to play with the idea that maybe there's another degree of rotation. There's another ounce of sensitivity and pressure they can handle. And if I'm doing something here really nice, and maybe I come in here and push off, you know, if my client and I that's the massage that we signed up for, I can get some stuff that you can't get when you go, right? So I'm not scared. I don't like bulging discs. I think about them. It doesn't change my entire massage. It changes how they react to my work. In light of the bulging disc, I might not do this or this, but there's a lot of stuff I'm still going to do, especially if they have no response to it or a good response, right? Or right at the edge of, okay, you feel that? Oh, I'm going to back out 1%. How are we doing? Okay, I can do that. You really can't through. I find people progress better when I would challenge the areas that they feel are the most restricted or problematic, right? With respect and with really attentive, right? Making sure I'm palpating, watching for stress and that kind of stuff. Does that make kind of sense? I'm still going to kind of play with stuff and do these things. Or even if you're in the same position here and you've got, you say the shoulder's frozen, or you've got the pec that won't, it's too contracted, so I'm going to come in here. I'm going to put it just like that. I'm going to lift her arm and keep that in the same spot. I'm going to come under. Watch out for her hair. I might pull her a little more onto me. And then when I bring her over, instead of doing my shoulder pull, I might just come to the other side. I'd probably stop and fold that arm, but I'm going to bring it up. I got the sheet going, that's why it's sorry. But here, so now I'm going to consider her here, and I haven't moved her shoulder at all, but I still want to get the same experience. Right, and then maybe I'll move the shoulder a bit, and maybe I'll start to play because she'll relax. So I'm going to try and find a way to get some stuff done that respects what she thinks is her limitation, and I'm going to ask her, can we work through that a little bit? Can we challenge it a bit? Can I come over here now and go, call this the face mush. Just a distraction, pulling out, really being careful on that joint, but maybe I can work on the back, work on the trap, work on the levators, come through, now maybe challenge a bit. She seems calm and relaxed, I don't feel trauma in the body, I'm gonna keep going. Does that make sense? So I believe in our intuition, I believe in our ability to palpate and to sense what our clients are feeling. If I got to her and I realized she just doesn't have any tells, she's a great poker player, I can't do any of this work. Right? Because I'm not that smart. And if she's not going to give me any information, I'm not going to try and pretend to understand anything about her body. I'm going to do a good basic massage, give her what I think is good, but I'm not going to challenge areas because she's just too good at the game. But if I get a couple times, I might even try, sometimes I'll try and challenge something. Or I'll say, can I pick your nose? Can I scratch your eyeball? Because she said yes to everything else I've done. And she's like, can I? She's like, no, good. So you can say no then, right? And she'll laugh and she'll get it and she'll tell me no. But if they say yes too much, I want to know that you understand. I'm not looking for a yes. I'm looking for this edge thing. And if I can get them, I can play. If I can't, I don't do stuff like that. But when I really believe I understand my client, I'm feeling pretty good, everything up to this point has worked, I'm going to try that kind of stuff. Does that make sense? So again, not to be avant-garde, not to disregard all the stuff that you've learned or thought about as contraindications, that kind of deal. But if we don't challenge areas that need the most work, we're never going to know if there's something that we as massage therapists can do. It's soft tissue. That's our world, right? And so I just want to be in there if I can. And if I get in there and I realize that I shouldn't be there, I get out. I don't, I'm not vested in what I'm doing. I'm vested in trying to get my client better. If that makes sense. So that's how I would do that. So I would let her know I'm taking care of that pec minor. And I said, can we challenge it a little bit? I might use my words if I have to, so because she knows it's a challenge, so I'd let her know beforehand. Let me know how we're doing, what we're doing. Fingers on it, right? Oh, okay, right there. So that's my goal. I'm trying to progress them somewhere, and sometimes the limiting belief is the problem, not the structure. Make sense? That's just, that's my anecdotal thoughts.